Hey everyone, welcome back to Deco Bloom. If your home is small but you want it to feel calm, elevated, and quietly expensive, you are in the right place. Today we are walking tiny spaces through the lens of Quiet Luxury 2026, revealing the design secrets that change everything. Fewer but better pieces, warm layered lighting, and textures that instantly feel high-end. Quiet luxury starts when the room feels edited. In this tiny living area, we let one generous sofa, one sculptural table, and one oversized artwork do the talking. The secret is restrained. Clean sightlines, hidden cables, and nothing competing for attention. Warm lighting and soft texture shifts make the space feel calm, intentional, and expensive. A small entry can still feel like a welcome ritual. Here, a slim console and a large mirror create instant structure, while a single tray corrals daily clutter. Add one vase, one stack of books, and a runner for softness. The result feels elevated because everything has a purpose, and the entry reads like a design destination. This dining nook proves luxury does not require square meters. A round pedestal table keeps the footprint light, while upholstered seating adds comfort and polish. Styling stays minimal, one centerpiece, simple linens, and breathing room. When the lighting is warm and focused, the nook feels like a private corner in a boutique hotel, not an afterthought. A tiny one-wall kitchen can feel built-in when every line is consistent. Matching finishes, aligned doors, and a simple continuous backsplash create a seamless look. Keep the counter mostly clear and choose just a few beautiful objects for the open shelf. With warm, flattering illumination, the space feels calm, clean, and quietly premium. The fastest way to make a small bedroom feel expensive is to treat the bed like architecture. Layer tonal bedding from crisp to cozy, then repeat symmetry with matching nightstands. Keep the palette soft and the accessories few. When fabrics look inviting and the room stays uncluttered, the bedroom reads as a restful suite, not a cramped corner. luxury often looks like space, even when you do not have it. This living room is styled with calm surfaces, then the hidden storage changes everything. Bench seating that lifts, an ottoman that opens, and cabinets that disappear into the wall color. The magic is the tidy baseline. When daily items vanish, the room instantly feels higher end. You can fake architectural depth without major renovation. A subtle trim pattern or tonal paintwork creates shadow lines that add richness without loud contrast. Pair it with a simple bench, minimal art, and a clean mirror shape. The overall effect is quiet and tailored. It feels expensive because the wall becomes a backdrop with intention. Tiny kitchens feel luxe when finishes are consistent and touchable. Soft matte fronts reduce visual noise, and one warm metal finish adds a subtle gleam. Styling stays disciplined. One towel, one bowl, one board. This is not about more decor, but better choices. With warm illumination, the kitchen looks refined, not busy or temporary. In small spaces, the table cannot be a storage zone. This styling approach uses just 3 objects: a bowl, a candle, and a small vase. Each has space around it, so the surface feels intentional. The room looks expensive because it is not over-accessorized. Simple composition and warm mood lighting create a slow, elegant atmosphere. You do not need a walk-in to get a boutique wardrobe feeling. Matching hangers and tonal storage boxes create instant cohesion, while one framed print adds a curated touch. Keep colors soft so nothing feels chaotic. When everything is sorted and visually consistent, getting dressed feels easier. The closet corner reads as designed, not improvised. This living room focuses on atmosphere, not more furniture. Use a mix of ceiling glow, a reading lamp near seating, and a small accent light that highlights art or a shelf. The space feels expensive because shadows look intentional and corners have depth. Paired with warm neutrals and natural textures, the room becomes cozy, polished, and quietly cinematic. Open-plan small spaces feel chaotic when zones fight each other. Here, one calm palette runs through kitchen and dining, so the eye reads the home as a single design story. Then each area gets its own identity through furniture shapes and lighting emphasis. A simple runner and minimal tabletop styling help the layout feel cohesive and elevated. Instead of filling a tiny living room with many small pieces, choose one sculptural chair that looks intentional. An organic silhouette adds personality without clutter, and a slim side table keeps the footprint light. Ground it with a muted rug so the seating feels anchored. The space reads as collected and high-end because every item has presence and purpose. A large mirror is a quiet luxury shortcut in a tight entry. It expands brightness, reflects warmth, and makes the wall feel architectural. Keep the frame simple, then style the console with just a tray, a vase, and a small book stack. Add a runner for softness. The entry feels larger because it is visually organized and calm. Small bathrooms feel expensive when they stop looking like a supply closet. Edit the counter to a tray, matching bottles, and one decorative object. Add a framed print and consistent hardware finishes, then bring in warm textiles like plush towels and a small rug. When the bathroom shares the same palette as the home, it feels intentional and elevated. A laundry area becomes luxe when it looks finished. Hide machines behind doors or a curtain. Match surrounding paint to reduce visual breaks, and add one shelf with baskets for order. Decant supplies into uniform containers, so the view feels calm. When utility items are organized and attractive, the corner stops feeling temporary and starts feeling designed. A tiny balcony becomes an outdoor room when you commit to comfort and simplicity. One great chair, one small table, and one tall plant create a strong composition without crowding. Add a lantern and a textured throw for evening mood. Natural fibers and calm colors make it feel like a resort corner, even in a compact city home. This office nook is designed to feel calm when work is done. A wall-mounted desk keeps the floor clear, closed storage hides supplies, and cables disappear into a neat channel. Keep decor minimal, one art piece and one box for essentials. With warm illumination and tidy surfaces, the nook feels expensive because it looks effortless and controlled. Now you have the Core Quiet Luxury 2026 formula for tiny spaces. Simplify the silhouette, choose fewer higher quality focal pieces, keep a warm neutral palette, add depth with layered lighting, and let textures like linen, wood, and ceramics do the heavy lifting. If you enjoyed this room tour and want more small space design upgrades, please like the video, subscribe to Decobloom, and comment which room you want me to style next.